Hello, Laura. Hi, my name is Charles Marine. First of all, I just want to thank you for connecting with me through Facebook. I am part of your local SEO professionals. This is a small company I started to help small businesses attract more clients by building their online presence. And this is important these days because about 90% of adults use Google to search for local businesses. So you building up your online presence and showing up on the first page result of Google will help you. This is me. Will help you attract more clients. So let me get started. Let me give you 3 tips that can help improve your website. And these tips are mainly for sites that are like independent sites. First thing I noticed is that you are part of the Sensi.us or Sensi.com rather, which have a very similar setup to your site. I can see that, but I'm guessing that you specialize in your own specific products, but part of this brand. So the fact that you're branded like this can help you because you're pulling the strength from your main site. You're pulling the strength from it, meaning Google already sees it as a quality site. And because it's your main domain, you're pulling strength from it, so that can attract people to come to you if they're searching for your products. Okay, so the 3 tips I usually give people are contents, citations, and backlinks. Those are the 3 things that help Google rank sites better. All right, so let's start with the first one, content. Content is everything on your website, everything that I've selected, highlighted in blue, meaning all the text, the pictures, the words behind the pictures, meaning what the pictures are saved as. For example, if I take one of your pictures here and all these links, let me take one of, save image. You see it's saved as fragrance system diffuse, like the actual product. How you'd save it to optimize would be with a keyword, so that if someone is looking for diffusers and oils, I'd rather have saved your picture as diffusers, oils, and then with a location, Harrisburg, PA, so that when Google scrapes your website, when they're ranking all the websites, it knows that you're local to a certain location and you provide this product or this service, so that when people are searching for that, Google knows, okay, this person, I should put them in front. So the other thing to optimize with Google is to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your page. I'm not sure if you can change that within your because you're hooked up with the main domain. So I'm not sure if you can add more text or not. My advice in this area, if you want to rank locally for your area, which is, I believe, Harrisburg, um, would be to create a different website, fill it with the proper optimal text and the proper keywords with all your products, and then place your products in different pages. If you want to deal with different locations, you can have different location pages as well. But I guess you're hooked up with these guys with this, and I'm pretty sure it might be a requirement to have your website on their domain, which is fine. Okay, the second thing I want to mention is citations. Now, that comes about most when I search for your service that you're providing. For example, if I try to search for diffusers and oils, Harrisburg, PA, the ideal thing is if your site can appear part of this organic search area, or maybe this map pack. And at the top here, we have Google Ads. Google Ads always hit or miss because a lot of people these days have ad blockers, which means they won't get to see these ads here, and these companies lose that part of the market. But back to citations. Citations have to do with this area here called the map pack, where you have a map and 3 different companies that offer the service, 3 different businesses. Now, the way you rank on this section here is the number of citations you have. Think of it like a popularity contest. The more citations you have, the better you'll rank in this area. Now, what are citations? Citations are anywhere across the internet in directories where your name, address, and phone number are cited. So if you think of directories like LinkedIn, YouTube, Bing, Yext, Dexnos, um, Better Business Bureau, etc., the more reputable directories that your company is cited in, and remember it has to be the exact business name, exact address, and exact phone number, the better you'll do in this area here, Mapback. So I have different tools that can go in and look at your competitors here, look at where they're cited, and then help you cite yourself in those directories. But you don't want to just have the equal number. You want to go over and above and put yourself in many more directories. And finally, the third thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and that has to do with the section that's below the map pack called organic listings, or organic search listings. Now, one of the most popular and strong ways to rank in this area is through backlinks. Backlinks are where your site is linked to from a different website. So if you think of the internet as a whole collection of web pages linked together, if you have your site on someone else's site linking to yours, directing traffic to your site, that's known as a backlink. Now, not all backlinks are equal, because let's say it's a McDonald's website and links to your site giving you a backlink. Google looks at that and says, hey, these guys are not in the same business. Or do burgers have to do with, fast food has to have to do with essential oils and the products that you have. So that counts as a weaker backlink. Maybe if there's a health and beauty forum in Chicago, and through one of their blogs, they link to your site, that's a much stronger backlink in Google's eyes. So I took the liberty of using a tool called Ahrefs to analyze your website. It's a popular tool. A lot of excuse me, a lot of people who work in SEO have this tool. So I put your site in here, and I can tell you barely have any backlinks, and no domains are pointing to you. You're only ranking for one organic keyword. So if someone searches for peppermint scentsy, about 40 people search for that per month globally, meaning nationally. If it was peppermint scentsy Harrisburg, that would be a local search. So you're ranking at position 41, and you're getting 0 people coming to your website because of that. But that Google has identified that as one keyword that you rank for. Now, if you look at your parent domain, I also put them in this tool. You can see there are 316 backlinks. And I clicked it, I can see all the different links that link to the main domain. But unfortunately, I don't see any that link to you. So to rank better in this organic section area, I would increase the number of backlinks, and that's not that very hard to do. You could go on to different blogs and make sure you comment, leave your link there, post or write a blog also, post your site, your name, address, and phone number in different directories, and try and do as much as possible to spread yourself, across the internet, especially when if you want to rank for a certain location. Make sure you do location-specific links as well. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. I hope this can help you, and I wish you success. I hope you get more clients, and if you implement some of these tools. Thank you very much, and have a great day.